Understanding the phrase, ray of hope. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the picturesque phrase, ray of hope. It's a phrase that often pops up in English conversations, literature, and even in everyday news. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we unravel the significance of this optimistic expression. The phrase, ray of hope, refers to a small sign that things might improve or that a period of difficulty might end soon. It's like spotting a beam of light in a dark room, symbolizing potential happiness or relief that lies ahead. We often use this phrase when situations seem bleak, but there's a possibility for a positive change. Tracing back to its origins, ray of hope has a metaphorical meaning. A ray literally means a thin line of light that breaks through the clouds. Just as a literal ray signifies the start of a brighter period after darkness, a metaphorical ray signifies the emergence of optimism amidst despair. To get comfortable with the phrase, let's see it in action. Even in the toughest times, the support from my friends was a ray of hope. The new treatment offers a ray of hope for patients. After days of searching, the rescue team's discovery was a much-needed ray of hope. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for ray of hope include glimmer of hope, silver lining, light at the end of the tunnel. Each of these carries a slightly different connotation but revolves around the theme of unexpected optimism. And that's a wrap on ray of hope. It's more than just a phrase, it's a powerful expression of human resilience and optimism. Thank you for watching, and we hope this explanation adds a ray of hope to your English learning journey.